Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and happy Valentine's Day. For today's look, we're doing this easy, soft glam makeup, perfect for Valentine's Day. It's super versatile and you can totally make it into your own. So if you want to see how I did this look, please keep on watching. I've already applied my base and my eyebrows, and if you're wondering what I'm using, everything will be linked in the description box. For this eye look, I'm using the Bare Necessities palette from Colorpop. First, I'm going in with the lightest shimmery shade and applying it to my brow bone. And I'm really concentrating this color right in the arch of my brow. And then I'm going to be setting my brows with my Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. For the next eyeshadow, I'm using this soft brown transition color and applying it directly into my crease. I'm also flicking this eyeshadow out towards the tail of my eyebrow. Then it should look a little something like this. Now go ahead and do the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm taking a warmer medium brown shade and applying it directly to the outer corners of my eye, and I'm also going to drag it out and upwards towards the previous shade connecting the two. When there's less product on my brush, I'm going to start dragging it inwards towards my crease, but still keeping it lower and more concentrated than the previous shade. With this shade, I'm going little by little and keep adding and blending, adding and blending. And I just keep on repeating those steps. And now it should look a little something like this. Now I'm just repeating the same steps to my other eye. Now I'm going in with the first blending brush we used to blend out any harsh edges, without any additional product. Now I'm going in with my 16-hour Camo Concealer from e.l.f. and applying some to the back of my hand and loading my brush up and applying it straight to my lid to whiten and brighten my lid space and to prep for the next shade. Now I want this look to be very soft, so I'm making sure to not create a cut crease, so I like to blend out the edges of the concealer with my fingers. Now I'm taking this creamy off-white shade and I'm going to apply this all over my lids. But I'm also making sure to not disrupt those outer edges. To make it more seamless, I'm also blending out the edges of this eyeshadow. But if you feel the edges are still a bit too harsh, go ahead and take a blending brush and blend it out. I felt like the outer corners got a little bit washed out, so I'm taking the blending brush I used on my outer corners and blending in that outer corner with a lid shade. Next, I'm taking this deep dark brown eyeshadow and I'm going to be focusing this on the outer corners of my upper lash line. Again, I go little by little and keep adding and blending, adding and blending. And I'm really trying to pack this shade on as close to my lash line as possible. And while blending this shade out, I'm going to slightly wing it out. And now I'm creating a slight wing with that eyeshadow and keep blending it out. The wing doesn't have to be perfect, it's supposed to be a little messy. And besides, we're totally blending it out anyway. And here you can see I keep repeating the same steps over and over again until I'm happy with the smokiness. it should look something like this. Now I'm just repeating the same steps to the other eye. I just felt the lid shade got lost in all the blending, so here I'm just adding some more. Now I'm taking my NYX Epic Ink Liner in the shade Brown, and I'm just going to create a very thin line on my upper lash line with this. This step is extra important if you're going to be using lashes because this step will help hide the lash band. I'm not going to be using lashes for this look, but I really think this step cleans up the lash line. Now I'm going in with the shadow I used on my brow bone to brighten up my inner corners. And now the eyeshadow is complete. Now I'm just curling my lashes to prep them for mascara. For mascara, I'm using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Mascara. And there you have it. The eyes are done. Now let's move on to the lips. For lip liner, I'm using VIEVE Modern Lip Definer in the shade Bark. And I'm just going to go ahead and overline my lips with this. When I'm done with the lip liner, I'm taking my finger to blend the lip liner into my lips. For lipstick, I'm using VIEVE's Modern Matte Lipstick in the shade Treasure, which is a warm, pale, peachy nude. And I'm just applying this on the center of my lips and blending it out with my fingers. And we're done! I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.